Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to create a Remember Me add-on for user sign-in process. Let's get started. First, I'm in the sign-in page. First, I'm going to show you how the Remember Me works and I'll explain the codes. So, I'm in the sign-in page. First, I'm going to log in without clicking the Remember Me option. Here you can see in the cookie editor, there are no cookies set in here. So I'm going back to the sign-in page. And now I'm going to log in with the Remember Me option. I'm pressing the sign in button. Now you can see the cookies are stored in here. So now if I reload the sign in page, it also stores the email address and the Remember Me option I ticked in. So this is the process of the Remember Me. And I also created an extra table to Remember Me. I connected it to the user table using the one-to-many relationship. So now let's see the code. I coded the Remember Me process also in the sign in page. I coded the Remember Me process in the sign in function. First, in the sign in function, I get the Remember Me checkbox value. When sending data to the backend, I send either true or false depending on whether the checkbox is checked. This allows the backend to know if persistent login should be activated. I send this through the AJAX request to login process PHP file. Here, I receive the Remember Me value from the frontend. After verifying the user's email and password, I check whether Remember Me is enabled. If Remember Me is selected, I generate a secure random token using random bytes. This creates a unique and unpredictable token for the user. I hash the token before storing it in the database. This ensures that even if someone accesses the database, they cannot see the original token. I then store the hash token in the Remember Me tokens table along with the user ID, the expiry date, which is set to 30 days. This expiry limits how long the user can stay remembered. After storing the token in the database, I store the original token in the browser as a cookie. I also store the user ID and email. These cookies are valid for 30 days. I intentionally did not store the password in cookies. Storing passwords in cookies is insecure. Instead, I use a secure token-based approach, which is the recommended method. If Remember Me is not selected, I delete all related cookies. This ensures no persistent login remains. When the login page loads, I check if Remember Me cookie exists. If they do, the email field is automatically filled. The Remember Me checkbox is automatically checked. This improves user experience. Overall, the user selects Remember Me. System generates secure random token. Token hash stored in database. Token stored in browser cookie. Token expires after 30 days. Then, if not selected, cookies are cleared. This ensures both convenience and strong security. This improves user experience while maintaining proper security standards. Thank you.